Step onto the field, the lights shine bright. With every heartbeat, we're ready to fight. Through the trials and the falls, we rise again. No matter the score, it's love for the game. Carry on when the world gets tough. Stand up, believe you're more than enough. When they doubt and deceive, hold your head high. With faith in your heart, you'll touch the sky. Facing the whispers that try to cut deep. With every challenge, your spirit won't sleep. In the darkest moments, just look to the light. You're stronger than shadows, you'll win this fight. Carry on when the world gets tough. Stand up, believe you're more than enough. When they doubt and deceive, hold your head high. With faith in your heart, you'll touch the sky. When the winds push hard and your dreams feel far, keep your eyes on the prize like a bright shining star. Through the wounds and the scars, you'll find who you are. With every defeat, you'll still raise the bar.